Aloha class. Hope everyone's doing great. This week we're on lesson 7, the power of gratitude in organizations. Let's get started. We'll first do a wrap-up of the lesson 6 case study. Then we'll talk about the lesson 7 objectives, the assignments that are due for lesson 7, the HOA meetings this week, and a final thought. So to wrap up the recruitment of a star, let's talk about some takeaways and lessons learned. Research suggests that a star at one firm doesn't necessarily become a star at another company. A star's performance is tied to the company that they work for, including resources, support, technology, etc. There's a number of factors that contribute to one's becoming a star performer. As we learned in the supplemental reading, the most viable strategy is to recruit good people, develop them, and retain as many stars as possible. And this comes from the Harvard Business Review, The Risky Business of Hiring Stars. All right, so let's move on to lesson 7, the objectives. The power of gratitude in organizations. Experience the role of gratitude in organizational effectiveness. Gratitude naturally is something we discuss a lot at church and in a gospel context, but it is also something that is effective or will, in practice, will lead to organizational effectiveness. So the assignments that are due by midweek is there is an activity self-assessment. So there is no paper, as you know it, that's due this week. So make sure you follow the gratitude activity instructions before taking the self-assessment. Complete your readings, pages 297 to 342 of the 7 Habits book. Due Monday, obviously you have your HOA meetings that usually take place between Wednesday and Thursdays. Make sure you participate in the reading discussion. The sooner you post, the better. And finally, make sure you take your self-assessment. This week I'll be meeting with groups 9 and 1 in person or live, actually. Team leaders, again, you know the drill. Make sure you find the discussion agenda link and record the meeting and post it to the discussion board, as well as send out the link to your teammates. And as always, take advantage of the meeting time. Try to incorporate the lessons you've learned so far into this week's lesson. One final thought, message from President Uchtdorf. No matter our circumstances, no matter our challenges or trials, there is something in each day to embrace and cherish. There is something in each day that can bring gratitude and joy, if only we'll see and appreciate it. All right, everyone, I'll see you online. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.